Next question. Messrs. Ruchi Trader started their cash book with the following balances on December 1st, 2019. Cash in hand 1354. Cash at bank 7560. He had the following transactions in the month of December 2019. December 3rd, cash sales 2300. December 5th, purchased goods by check 6000. December 8, cash sales 10,000. December 12, paid trade expenses 700. December 13, sold goods and received a check, deposited same day 20,000. December 16, purchased motor car, paid by check 15,000. December 20, check received from Manisha, deposited same day 10,000. December 22, cash sales 7,000. December 25, Manisha's check dishonored. December 26, paid rent 4,000. December 28, paid telephone expenses by check 500. Cash in hand 1354. Cash at bank 7560. Cash balance 1354. Bank balance 7560. Write it on the debit side of cash book. Cash in cash column and bank balance in bank column. Then cash sales. December 3rd, cash sales means sold goods for cash. Receipt side, cash column 2300. December 5th, purchased goods by check. Purchased goods by check. Payment side, bank column 6000. December 8, cash sales means sold goods for cash. Receipt side, cash column 10,000. December 12, paid trade expenses. Payment side, cash column 700. December 13, sold goods and received check, deposited same day. Receipt side, bank column 20,000. Then December 16, purchased a motor car and paid by check. Payment side, bank column 15,000. December 20, check received from Manisha, deposited same day. Receipt side, bank column 10,000. December 22, cash sales means sold goods for cash. Receipt side, cash column 7,000. December 25, Manisha's check dishonored. If a check received from a customer is dishonored, the bank will return the dishonored check and debit the firm's account. On receipt of such check or intimation from the bank, the firm will make an entry on the credit side of the cash book by entering the amount of the dishonored check in the bank column and the name of the customer in the particulars column. So dishonor of a check means return of the check unpaid, generally due to insufficient funds in the customer's account with the bank. For the dishonor of check, credit it on the bank column. Payment side, bank column with the customer's name. Then paid rent. Payment of rent is an expense. Write it on the credit side, cash column 4,000. Then pay telephone expenses by check. Payment, bank column 500. First, December 1st, balance brought down. Cash balance 1354. Bank balance 7560. Then December 3rd, sales 2300. Receipt side, cash column. December 5, purchased goods by check. Payment side, bank column. December 8, sold goods for cash. Receipt side, cash column. December 12, paid trade expenses. Payment side, cash column. December 13, sold goods for check. Receipt side bank column 20,000. Then purchased motor car. Payment side bank column. Purchased motor car for check. Payment side bank column 15,000. Then December 20, check received from Manisha and deposited into bank same day. Receipt side bank column 10,000. December 22, sold goods for cash. Receipt side cash column. Then Manisha's check dishonored. Dishonor of Manisha's check. Payment side bank column. Then December 26, paid rent. Payment side cash column. December 28, paid telephone expenses by check. Payment side bank column 500. Next, balancing. Balancing of cash column. Debit side total 20,654. Credit side total 4,700. Balance 15,954. Next, balancing of bank column. Debit side total 37,560. Credit side total 31,500. Balancing figure 6,060. Cash column balance 15,954 on credit side. Bank column balance 6,060 on credit side.